I'm the proud leader of the Atlantic Emergency Solutions team. I just wanted everybody to know that the Atlantic Emergency Solutions team is working hard across all divisions to serve the emergency services community. We are taking all the precautions necessary at our facilities to protect our employees and any visitors that may come and bring equipment to our shops. We're also ensuring that we're taking care of our employees' safety at home. We want you to know that we are available to serve your needs. Please call us, let us know, and our divisions are ready to serve you.
Well, BASCOM here. I want to provide a quick update for you on Atlantic service. Thanks to our dedicated service team, all of our service centers are fully staffed and open for business. We are taking some additional precautions to protect the safety of our employees, including limiting visitor access to our service center, increased housekeeping services, additional use of personal protective equipment, and social distancing. We want to take a moment to thank our customers who are also our first responders for everything that they're doing right now. We want you to know that we are here for you. If there's anything you need, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
The foundation of our relationships has always been boots on the ground support, face-to-face meetings, product demonstrations, and of course being available to you 24/7. As much as we want to reach out to let you know we're still here and available, we understand there may be other priorities you're dealing with at the moment. Please let us know however we can be of assistance. The sales teams all across our divisions remain ready to help. Not only are we a phone call away, we've also implemented additional ways to stay connected and continue the conversations you've been having with us. If your new fire apparatus or ambulance recently completed and is at one of our service centers, we're still going to deliver it, just like we always have, but with a few more precautions. If you feel comfortable with another approach, just let us know. If your vehicle is still in the production process at the factory, some of the processes have changed around on-site inspections. There's a few things we've done to help keep the momentum going.
Given the extra safety precautions prohibiting travel for many of our customers, virtual inspections at the Pierce factory will be implemented until the current environment improves and restrictions are lifted. The virtual inspections will entail highly detailed, high-resolution images covering almost every aspect of the apparatus.
Rev Ambulance Factory in Florida, travel restrictions are also impacting the ability of our customers to perform inspections in person. We have a full-time Atlantic representative at the factory, overseeing each build and providing production updates. We are also utilizing technology to our advantage to help facilitate virtual inspections so ambulances get shipped on schedule to where they are urgently needed.
Like you, Atlantic is here and eager to serve. Our equipment specialists are working very hard to make sure that you have all the tools and equipment that you need during these difficult times. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any needs. We're happy to help you, and we are here to serve.
I want to thank everyone for their business and pray that everyone stays safe during these trying times. But also remember that whenever or wherever any of your needs may arise, the Atlantic Emergency Solutions team is ready to serve you. We are Atlantic.
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 We're Atlantic.
We are 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 Atlantic.
Atlantic Ambulance Division is here to serve you.